Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove a video from your Watch Later playlist on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Launch your web browser and head over to the YouTube website. Step 2. In the YouTube menu, locate and select the Watch Later option. You can find this option in the left-hand menu under the Library section. Step 3. Next to the video you want to remove, click on the More button. You'll see a list of options appear. Step 4. From the options, select Remove from Watch Later. The video will be instantly removed from your Watch Later playlist. And there you have it. By following these 4 simple steps, you can easily remove any unwanted video from your Watch Later playlist on YouTube using your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other YouTube-related questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.